Hello viewers, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to recover a Discord account. Now I'm showing a very simple method step by step, so follow my all process very carefully. First of all, open Discord apps. Select login option. Simply type your phone number or email address. Now follow this message. Please check both your inbox and spam folder. Click on OK. Now I am opening this email. Select the Discord message. Click on reset password. And you need to just type here to new password, and finally click on to change password. Then successfully recover your Discord password. So that's how you can easily recover Discord account. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debate channel for more video.